4 steps to selling digital products in 2026. No bullshit. Let's get it. First step, find your niche. Second step, find your target audience in that niche, within that niche, however you want to say it. Just find your fucking target audience in that niche. Third step, create content for your target audience within that niche. Fourth step, post the fucking content that you create for your target audience within that niche. Rinse and repeat the last 2 steps. That's it. That simple. Once you find your niche and your target audience, it's all about creating content and posting the content to your target audience to let them know, hey, I got this digital product that can help you. That's it. You just speaking to your target audience on how you can help them or what problem you can solve with your digital product. That's it. And that's literally the formula. Find your niche. Find your target audience within that niche. Create content around your digital product for your target audience within that niche. And post the fucking content for your target audience within that niche. Rinse and repeat the last 2 steps. Now, if you have a problem with finding your niche, like discovering what type of niche you trying to lean in towards, I got a checklist to help you out in the description. Click the link in the description to get that checklist. It's free. I'm not gatekeeping nothing. It's free. The checklist is free. The checklist is free. Look in the description for the link. The checklist is free. I'm not gatekeeping. I sound like the top dog lawyer dude on the commercial. But nah, for real, selling digital products in 2026 is so simple. I don't even want to say the cliche saying. I'm gonna say it anyway. Selling digital products in 2026 is so simple. A caveman can do it. Find your niche. Find the people you're supposed to talk to. Find your organization, your audience. Find those people who will listen to you. Find those people that has the problem that you got the answer to. Let them know you are the answer man or the answer woman, whatever. But let them know that you can help them. And the only way to let them know is by marketing yourself with a solution. Like I said, if you need help discovering your niche, look in the description on my bio. Just click that first link and it will get you to the page that will have the checklist to help discover your niche. Now, that checklist is free. All you gotta do is insert your email so I can send it to you. It's free. Put your email in there so I can send it to you. That's all the requirements is. If you can't do that, this program ain't for you. You're not trying to discover your niche. You're trying to stay at your 9 to 5. You're trying to go work somewhere you don't even want to be at. Money might be good, but you don't even want to be there. Damn the money. You don't even want to be there. Money ain't always good money. Check my bio. Click that link. Get that free checklist to help you discover your niche so you can start selling a digital product in 2026. Fire that time clock. Like I said, it's 4 steps. Find your niche. Find your audience for your niche. Create content around the digital product for your target audience within that niche. And post the content. That is the most important part to execute, is the last 2 parts. Create the content. That's your marketing piece. And posting. That's the final part. Posting. You can't control whether whatever digital product you're selling, you can't control whether the person purchases or not. You can only put the information in front of their face and say, hey, you got this problem, I got the solution. Here you go. If they want it, they'll get it. If not, there's a billion people in this world. Keep going. Don't stop. There's a lot of people with the same problems. Some people just ain't gonna go for it until they hear you a couple times. They want to make sure they know what you're talking about. So 2026, I'm selling digital products. That is my new lane of money. I'm tired of working a 9 to 5, and I just gotta go get it. If you tired of working a 9 to 5, you can come get this money with me. Learn your niche. Learn how to sell a digital product. It's easy. Social media make it so easy to connect with people, to find the people for your niche. Post. That's all you gotta do. Post. When you do the first 3 steps, just make sure you post. We talking about posting. We talking about posting. That's it. 4 steps, 4 simple steps. And if you need help with all 4 of those steps, I got it in the description too. But I just want y'all to find y'all niche. I just want you to find your niche first. I want you to start there. Damn the other steps. Find your niche first. You can't do anything without finding your niche. You can't create content. You can't market a digital product without finding your niche. Find your niche first. Start there with the clarity of your niche. That's the only way you can jump to the next part, to find the audience that you're looking for to create the content. It's a 4-step process. Like I said, if you need help finding your niche, look in my bio. I got it there. Click there and just put your email in there. Get the free checklist. Just go through the checklist truthfully. Don't lie to yourself. Go through each checklist point truthfully without lying to yourself. Just do the exercise fully and you're going to discover your niche. Check my bio. The link to the checklist is in my bio. Go get that. It's free. If you're trying to sell digital products in 2026 and don't know where to begin, this is the video for you. And you're going to begin by finding your niche, discovering your niche. I got a checklist I developed that help you find that, to help you develop that, and it's free. The link to the checklist in my bio is free. Just insert your email so I can send it to you, and you can get started today filling out that checklist. Like I said, answer honestly to the best of your knowledge of yourself, and your niche will reveal itself easily, and you won't have to think about it. And then create the content by finding your target audience. Like I said, I have a mini ebook on that too, on how to find your target audience. If you need help with that, it's the same link. I'm not here to promote that part. I want you to discover your niche first before you to find a target audience. Discover your niche. I know it might sound like I'm repeating myself, but you can't start selling. I don't care if it ain't digital products. You can't sell anything without those 4 steps. If you don't know who you're talking to, how can you sell anything? If you don't know who you're talking to, how can you sell anything? Especially online, because online is like blind dating. You don't know who's on the other end of that coaxial Wi-Fi cable that you're speaking to. You don't know what type of help they're in need for. And you might just be that person to help them in that need. But they will never know if you don't never create the content and post the content. If you trying to fire your time clock, if you trying to fire your 9 to 5, if you trying to quit your 9 to 5 because you don't like going there, if you're trying to earn some extra money alongside your 9 to 5 first, and then later on finally quitting it because your side job has made more money than your main job, we talking about digital products here. That is the easiest strategy I have found, where you control everything because the products is yours. If you want more money, put more effort out there into selling your product. Simple as that. It's 1 billion people on this planet. You can't sell your product to one person. You can't help one person.